Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change narrator voice on Windows 10. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change narrator voice on Windows 10. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on settings. And then click on ease of access. After that, in the left sidebar you see here narrator, just click on it and then just scroll down and then you see here personalize narrator's voice. Choose a voice and then just click in the drop down arrow and then here you can select the voice you want. Okay, for example here Microsoft Mark English United States, and here you can adjust the speed and change voice pitch, and here you can adjust the voice volume. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change narrator voice on Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.